Our Honda styling studio in Los Angeles is where we create the styling for many new Honda vehicles. It's home to teamwork and collaboration unique to Honda, and it's where we created the styling for new Honda Prologue. As a project leader for the exterior design of the Honda Prologue, it was very exciting to work with a young team of designers with the new capabilities. The Prologue is the first product where Honda did the entire design using virtual reality visualization, and it was a great tool for collaboration. We created simple and clean design with a strong influence from the Honda E for the front fascia, adding a black screen face at the top. And we balanced that with a more rugged look, a vehicle with emotion and human element that should excite our customers and signal a true Honda EV.
Designing an all-electric vehicle gives us more freedom than something with an internal combustion engine. We can stretch our imaginations, especially to styling the front end. At the same time, Prologue should look comfortable in a showroom with other Honda SUVs. So we gave the Prologue a longer wheelbase, shorter overhang, and capable tires to create sporty proportion and a stronger stance.
Using VR enabled us to collaborate virtually with our design and development teams in the US and in Japan, even during the challenges of COVID. We could see Prologue in digital environments that truly resembled the real world. By simulating and evaluating colors, materials, and even lighting in virtual 3D environment, we were able to explore possibilities that took styling to a higher level.
Because Prologue is an EV, aerodynamics are even more important, especially for an SUV. Although we did the styling with VR, the clay modeling process is still important to visualize our concept. We fine-tuned the body with a simple surface direction and fewer lines to improve range and reduce cabin noise, which is more important for an EV with no engine sounds. I think we have delivered the ultimate balance in style. Prologue is modern and fresh, like the Honda E, but it goes a step further to the signal vehicle that has capability and adventure. We call it a neo-rugged design, and as we share more about Prologue in the coming days, including the capability, color, and cabin experience, we think you will understand why. Prologue will be full of Honda spirit. It signals the road ahead for the brand.